Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. We're up to the next stage of this retro cookbook journal. Thank you so much for joining me today while I complete this. I'm so grateful for all the lovely comments people are making, and it's really wonderful that people give me the thumbs up and keep subscribing. That would be really wonderful. Did I say my name was Kay? Probably not. I'm not 100%, so my mind's a bit all over the shop. Sorry, excuse me. So we're going to do the whole tie-in thing, because I tried sewing in once with multiple signatures and it failed dismally. So I'm going to show you how to do a tie-in signature. I normally do it from the middle here and go down the back. And it should be a white one. I'm using elastic, not string, because I did use string and I felt it was too tight for some of the fragile papers that I had, so I actually undid it and doing it with elastic. I think I might. I'm going to do what I did the other day, which is do it this way. So you hold on to it, wrap it round. 1, 2, start over there, okay, be good. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to have 4 signatures on the inside. And then going to cut off the end here. Leave myself plenty of room. Going to move them over a little bit. So this sort of spread evenly a little bit. Try to spread them evenly. My husband Tony has been in bed all day. He thought he was getting better, but didn't sleep very well last night, and he's sleeping today. I didn't sleep very well last night because he kept on coughing so much, so I'm actually not really tired, but I'm sounding as if I'm going to lose my voice too. Wonderful, that's all I need. So I'm just going to, what did I do? Wrap it around the middle like that. Come down a bit more further, Kay, I think. Tie a knot. And leave some string, because it was good to leave some string, because to make room for for people to. So look at this side. This is where it's going to be even. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm just going to have a quick drink to see if that makes a difference in my voice. Sorry. So it looks pretty there. So have I made a difference to my voice or not? I think it did a little bit. Okay. I'll fiddle around with that a bit later on. So we got the first signature. So we're going to put the second one in first. Find the middle. It's easier to work from middle outwards rather than do one after a time, the third signature. I can find the middle. Okay, here's the last signature. Sorry about my squeaky chair. Goes in there like that. That's much easier than using string. Get some more elastic, I think, rather than string. And the first signature. So I've already put some things in there already. I've got some tags here and some other things I want to put. I've got a whole heap of tags here that I want to use. I've also got some other ephemera that I want to put in as well, so we'll just have to see. And we've also got some things from the collection that I used as well. So we've already got one of those there. Yep. So keep those ones for the other signatures. Where's the other one? There it is. Haven't got one of these in yet. So there's a this is the back of a sewing pattern card. So I've just put a calendar box in there, so people can write in each box. There's a recipe card in there. I tried to use things that were from the 50s, so that that's going to be too big to go in there, so that won't fit. Let's try, what else have we got? I've got some altered postcards, so small postcards that can go in there. And that works nicely. Got the apple in there, and a tag in here, deliberate decoration. Got another one there, so I've used the cards, use the recipe cards. What else have I got? What's that? Oh, postcard. I've already got postcard. So perhaps we could use one of these big tags. That one, that one, that one. Decisions. Use this one from the, or I could use this ephemera that I also got from a friend of mine. That goes nicely in there. This is where I want to put the other tag, really. I wanted to put in there. Do I want the same colours? There's red on that side. I haven't put any of the ribbons or the holes in these ones, but I will do that later. I just wanted to see how many tags I needed. There's a little bit of a altered card there. There's a pocket there, and there's a pocket there, so we could use oh, so sorry. Some blue to match that over here. Some tags, just for this little pocket here. What else have I got? Just put the two in there for the moment, and because I've got the colours match this one over here. So for this signature, what have we got in here? Pocket here, so what can we put in the pocket? This one here matches that. Was it too much the same? Perhaps it's too much the same. Use the Victoria. I tried to choose recipes that were of that era. It didn't always work. Oh goodness me. Does that go in there? I think that does. Might have to trim them down to see if they fit. What does it go in here? I think I'm going to have to trim them down a bit further so they will fit. So I'll leave that for later, because, oh, there's my trimmer. Okay, cut it off this side a bit here. Cut the top off. Oh, squeak, 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 squeak. It's annoying. My chair, that is. That goes nicely there. So as you can see, I did the stenciling in the other ones as well, and tried to reinforce this old book that I had. And there's the inside of the pattern that I had in the first signature, so I've just got the inside there. Some little tags in here. Oh, this is going to be a tuck spot, that's right. So I'm going to put some elements in here that people can use to decorate their pages. I haven't done any. I just left them the way they were. I haven't added anything else to them so the person can use. The person can have it however they like, really. So that goes nicely in there. So in here we need something a bit bland over here, so maybe I could do more bright. That one, or this one. Let's see, what else have I got? Let's stick to this one here. Pink. No, change my mind again. Sorry. Red. The old ice box. Like that. I might even make some more and put some more in. I like to fill my journals with elements of interest. That one I think can go there because that matches that one over there nicely. This one's pink though. It's got pink in there as well. Keep going. The side pocket here, so maybe you can use one of these journaling. The trouble is, oh, there's one with red in it. So there's nothing on the back. So it's an altered baby growth card. So that can go there. Second signature. I definitely will have to fix that because it's no good to have a. So I can put these in as well. Got breakfast on that side. I've got a cake on that side. What's the other one got? Cake. I think I chose all cake. Could do the sewing one maybe. No, that's right, I've got to fix those ones, haven't I? They'll do. Colours sort of match with the red on the strawberries and the red of the tomatoes. That sort of matches. So I've made all my envelopes into flip outs, so I'm going to put a little couple of cards in there. Really go. What else have I got there? Put a couple of these in. Those will go together. Like there's a spot there for a card. Let's use this one here. Where's the blue one? All the blue ones I have are all small. Do this one with thousands and hundreds and thousands of them. Again, I think I'm just going to have to make a few more, I think. Pocket there. This is not probably very 50s, but I thought it was fun, so I'm going to put it in. There's a journaling card for here. Oh. So the blue here, and it's got blue in on those. And I thought there was a little pocket there. Put that there. Put that there. Probably need to edge those. Did I miss the envelope in that one? No, I didn't. Memory like a sieve. Okay, there's another spot. It's an altered postcard. Doesn't go nicely. That goes nicely there. Maybe journaling tag. I'll just see how I go with. I'm on the last signature. So I can't remember. Sorry. I can't remember how many things I actually used. Oh, so sorry. I'm rapidly losing my voice here. I think what I might do is just put that one there. And the smaller one as well. Because they go together nicely there. So you can see I've been pretty busy making things for the journal. Oh, should that one go there? I think that's a bit too bright for that one. I'm going to use the blue like I was going to. Oh, there's a little, I created a little pocket here, didn't I? Got some advertising things here I'm going to put there. I'm going to have to put something in the back of there. Haven't finished that yet, but I just wanted to see what I needed still. Nothing in there, so what have I got? At the clock. And the other, a cup of saucer. I did not one. That cup. And this element here. And a little salt and pepper shaker. They can all go in there. I just didn't do the flip out on the other side because of the advert was there. I just put the flower back over there, so there it is there, so people can journal on there. Put a little bit of a salt and pepper shaker there. looks like I've got loads of elements left, so I have to go back and create some more pockets and trim these down to fit them in. And I've got a Tim Holtz die cut here that I'm going to put some of the little elements in there as well, because I can use them for the little tags like this. So just build it up like that. So I could put some tags in there or some other adverts. I just got to look to see what I can find in my stash, because I just grabbed a few things. I didn't want to grab everything. See, this is a nice little advert for a crochet company. If I stick to the little ones, it might help. Perfect. That goes well, I think. So I'll fill that up, and I've got another element there, another element here. I've got an egg board thing to use as well. Oh, I've got some more adverts here. Some money. Fake money. And an advert for dairy. I thought that sort of was relevant, so I'm going to have to put something on the back of these, I think, to make them a bit sturdier. I think that will look good, whether I touch it there or whether because I won't have things come out because I haven't stuck it down yet, or whether I stick it on the bottom here. I'll think about it. Anyway, that's what I've done so far. We've put some elements in. I've still got a bit of room for some more. Just got to work out where I'm going to put them. Trim these down, maybe double up a few things. I've got some space here I'd like to create with. I might even put, even though the journal is nice and bright and cheerful, I'm umming and ahhing about putting this in as well, because it actually is from 1950, just for a bit of fun, just to sort of something to read. Fold it over, might have to trim it up a little bit and put it in a pocket very carefully, and put something on the back to support it a bit, and find some thin card. Anyway, I'm going to go before I totally lose my voice. Thank you so much for joining me today. Give me sorry, give me the thumbs up, make a comment, and we hope to see you next time. Bye bye.